Hello, my name's David Ischak. I'm a technical trainer for Vokera boilers. In this short video, I'll show you how to use the pump duty cycle function on our Vibe MAX. This allows us to adjust the pump performance to suit the hydraulic resistance around your central heating system. The Vokera Vibe MAX has a modulating pump. It will adjust to the system as system conditions change. It comes set from the factory at 85% of its maximum output. It can be increased to 100% or reduced to 41% in increments. This is so that the flow from the boiler can match the hydraulic resistance of the system, but still achieve the flow rate required around the system. This is how we adjust the pump duty cycle. If you wish to adjust the pump duty cycle anywhere between 41% and 100%, we need to go into Installer Parameters. Press and hold the menu button for 2 seconds. Press and hold the menu button for a further 2 seconds. A password is requested. Use the buttons on the right to select 18. Press top left to enter. We need parameter 405. Using the buttons on the right, select 405. Press plus to enter. 85% of the pump head is available as default. That can be increased or decreased anywhere between 41% and 100%. Once the selection is made, lock that new setting in with a tap on the menu button and then use bottom left to return to the main display. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.